Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel game lagging, freezing, stuttering, low FPS issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the minimum as well as the recommended requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you check your PC have all the specs required mentioned here, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back. Now select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. Here you have to select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. The game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game file. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, from here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and then a maximum size you have to type 24576, and after that click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to search option, search for settings, click on Windows update, click on check for updates, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to first click on add a desktop app so that you can add the game over here. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, you have to click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get set up successful message, after that close this. Now restart your PC and after that again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select a game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. So after disabling, this. Now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Now next method is to update BIOS. So many users have reported that after updating the BIOS to the latest version, most of the crashing or freezing or lagging issue while playing the game is resolved. So you are also suggested to update your BIOS and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam and the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not.